In Italy you will find Europe's most active and largest volcano, called Etna. You'll find it in Sicily, Italy, just in the heart of Catania on the coast of Italy. Because of the northward moving African plate, it subducts beneath the Eurasian plate, which creates the volcano. Bubbles of gas are trapped, causing lava to be released by pressure, making it a stratovolcano due to the many layers that build up and make the cone shape of the volcano. Its eruption style is paroxysms, which is a short, violent burst of lava. It's just a bright little segment, but they say throughout the year there is enough lava that is equivalent to the Chicago's Willis Tower. The volcanic hazards at Etna are lava flows, tephra falls, and volcanic ash endangering air traffic, earthquakes related to eruptive activity and magma movement, volcanic sector collapse, tsunami, and pyroclastic flows. But the most common one is definitely lava flows. During the last century, there are 3 deadly incidents known from Mount Etna, but as far as common of deaths, it's not very common. It's one of the most eruptive volcanoes, so it erupts more frequently than most. But because of that, people are more aware, and most of the damage is done to property and housing and things that you may own, but not so much of the people. There was a case in 1929, 2 deaths, and in 1979, 9 deaths, and in 1987, 2 deaths. But as of recently, there hasn't been any to report. In most of these deaths, we monitor this mountain with devices by INGV CT, and they're represented by permanent networks of remote sensors. There's seismic, geodetic, magnetic, gravimetric, and videos to help track the mountain and be able to gather information about the geodynamic activity. The devices are connected in real time by radio or by phone, and it's in the center of Catania. But data is also continuously recorded by permanent stations and also integrated by observations and surveys and laboratory analysis to be able to evaluate in real time the activity level of this volcano. I chose this volcano because it was the most active and had cases as recent of 2018 of last year, February, and I just found that very interesting and very beautiful.